This picture una dey see so na the man wey dey kill and the woman wey kill the man. Na be this one so. Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Yes, so now una daughter, una sister, una anything una take me. Now I be for una for here. Yes, if today na your first day of coming across this my channel, please do well to use that button, subscribe, join this beautiful family. What are you waiting for? Yes, I bring this news come for us. I bring this quick news come for us. The news is very sad news. Very, very sad news. Jesus Christ. Why human beings are wicked? Why people are wicked? When we head to the news, when we talk to the matter when bring us come here. This our brother, a Ghanaian brother. He based in Canada. Then he they date this our sister, this lady for Ghana before he moved out from Ghana to Canada. Okay, now he don't reach Canada and he don't marry. And the man don't marry. His sister died for Ghana. And his sister died for Ghana. He can't decide to come Ghana, go do his sister burial. As they do the sister burial now, this his girlfriend, when he left behind, they say according to the investigation, according to the statement, they said they send money give the girl. You see, they send money give this particular ex-girlfriend when he lived for Ghana. When his sister died, he can't come bury his sister, do his sister burial. Then from there now, he can't go see this his side chicks. He'd already married with children, I believe so. He'd already married. I'll put the video when I'll see his wife from Canada. Then this his girlfriend from Ghana, he can't buy this our brother. Person can't do his sister burial. You can't still kill am. You know, conscience not there again. Where una come? Some people, when God they create every human being, give us conscience. Where una they drop una conscience? I want to really know. Where una tell me? Where that una conscience they dey? Where una drop una conscience? Some people, una conscience not they judge you. Now, when una person come do his sister burial, then you still kill am. You don't have pity for a parents. You don't have pity for a family. You kill am. Remember, there is God. Are you una wanna still remain your husband una remain there? If una want marry, if una know say na the woman una left behind, when una left for Ghana or Africa, now una want marry, I beg una go marry. See this our sister. I'll leave the video for you. Na too na they see the video. She dey cry. She no imagine. He look her hand, no ring again. He look coffee. You see her husband lie down. I believe that black woman and her mother because they resemble. The man say she fell. Collect and give her. The pain when this man when he died so leave this lady for now. Now good pain. I beg if you dey out there, man, this advice go to you guys. If you know say wife, girl, your ex-girlfriend is still there your eye, better settle down with her. Don't go put specific thing for suffer, for pain. See this your wife now. See this your wife. As you tell leave her for pain now. Wherever you dey, your mind sure say you will dey happy. As you dey see this your wife now, as she dey cry, husband don't go Africa, go bury his sister. You don't know say go dey do vaga. It's so painful to see something like this. Are you out there? Your ex, women, I don't know they talk and know your worth. Know your worth. If your ex, you know, send you, not marry you, don't go and kill. Why you go kill? God doesn't not be your own. Your own must surely come back to you. Your own must surely come back to you. Why you will go kill? Why you will go that extent to kill? You are not God. God have every, except God create you as for you to be a Mary, Virgin Mary. But if God don't create you like that, God must bring your husband come for you. Why heaviness? Why the jealousy? This innocent woman when you put for pink, so if they wear you and this man for meat, if they wear you and this man for no, when you just fire, come up for this earth. Remember there is God. Remember, if you see they out there, my beautiful sisters out there, that is not the end of the life. If man, when you don't give him your mind to, it disappoints you. Always quick think, say he's not your own. If not your own, he not go divorce you. He not go leave you, go marry another woman. If not your own, he go stay by you. Don't go In fact, don't go go they think what you want to. You know water. You are too beautiful. If you can't force yourself into the family when the man not send you, who will come marry you? How you go feel cope? Marry man when he love you, when he send you, when he go be there for you. Okay? This is my own contribution. Please, all my brothers, sisters, mommies, auntie, daddies out there, please drop your own advice and drop your own opinion. What do you think about this thing? Is it what to kill for? When woman say no want you, is it what to kill? Or when man say she or he no want you, is it what to kill? For me, it's not what to kill. May he so rest in peace. He paid me for this, our young sister, this innocent woman when he put for and suffer, when he put for pain, I pay me. I'll see you now in my next video. Please, lawyer, help me to share this video to any of the community. Please, my beautiful people, I can't wait to see your comment. If I give you love, please accept it for me, okay? This period, I'm very, very busy. Okay, thank you. Being so rest in peace, me not vex say I smile, put, that is how I be. I always smile, okay? Thank you. May so rest in peace. May continue to rest on. If he they come live, as some of us believe, if he marry, see another woman again, he go focus on his wife. I will leave the short video for now to watch, okay? I'll see you now in my next video.